Last week, someone in our community used Claude, completely free, to build a piece of software in 2 hours and sold it on Etsy for $200. Then they did it again. And again. By the end of the month, they'd made over $3,200 from something they'd never built before. And here's the wild part, they don't code. I'm going to show you exactly how they did it. By the end of this video, you're going to know the exact 3-step process to build software with Claude, how to package it for Etsy, and the pricing strategy that actually converts. You'll get the specific prompts to paste into Claude right now. And here's what most people miss: the secret isn't in the coding, it's in finding the right problem to solve. Stick around because I'm going to show you the exact tool combination that takes you from zero to sale in less than 48 hours. Step 1. Picking your software idea. Don't overthink this. Go to Etsy right now and search for spreadsheet templates or productivity tools. Sort by bestsellers. You'll see tools like budget trackers, invoice generators, and project planners selling for $25 to $500 plus. These are the easiest starting point because Etsy buyers are actively searching for them. Pick something in that category that solves a specific, painful problem. Here's the move: find a problem in your own life, or go to Reddit and search for "I wish there was a tool that." And boom, you've got your idea. The best sellers solve problems people are actively Googling. Common mistake: building something you think is cool instead of something people actively want. That'll waste weeks. Your first build should take the already proven to sell path. Step 2. Building with Claude. Open Claude AI, it's free at the start. Let's say you want to build a wedding budget tracker. Here's the prompt you'll paste: create a complete, functional wedding budget tracker spreadsheet in Excel format. Include categories for venue, catering, flowers, photography, and other major expenses. Add formulas that automatically calculate total spending and remaining budget. Make it visually clean with color coding. Claude will generate the code. Copy it, paste it into Excel or Google Sheets, and you have a working product in literally 5 minutes. The key: Claude handles the entire logic. You're not coding, you're describing what you want, and Claude builds it. For most Etsy software spreadsheets, calculators, simple tools, Claude absolutely crushes this. The result is a.xlsx or .csv file you can immediately download and sell. Step 3. Packaging and listing. Download your file from Claude. Create a clean name, something like Wedding Budget Planner Pro. Write a simple description on Etsy: what it does, what's included, and who it's for. Add a screenshot showing what it looks like. Price it at $29 to $79 for your first few. Once you get sales, you can test higher prices. Here's what people get wrong: they underprice. A spreadsheet that saves someone hours of work is worth $50 minimum. Underpricing means fewer sales and less revenue. Also, don't just upload once and disappear. Add it to relevant Etsy collections, use keywords in your description, and cross-promote on social media. The Etsy algorithm rewards consistency. Common mistake: creating one product and expecting passive income forever. The real money comes from building 3 to 5 solid products. Each one takes 2 to 4 hours total. Okay, we're halfway through, and the next method is one I wish I'd known about earlier. Most people stop at Etsy. But here's the move that actually stacks income: selling the same software on multiple platforms. Gumroad, Payhip, and AppSumo all have audiences actively buying digital products. You upload the same file to each platform and suddenly you're making money from 4 different sources with zero extra work. Some people are making $8,000 to $15,000 monthly by building 5 products and distributing them across platforms. This is where the real compound income happens. Now, the reality check. Your first product might make 0 sales in week 1. That's normal. Here's why it happens: the Etsy algorithm needs time, and your product title and tags need to be discoverable. Solution: use the exact keywords your customers are searching for. If you're selling a budget tracker, don't just call it budget tracker. Call it monthly budget planner, Excel template, personal finance spreadsheet. Add tags like Excel template, budget spreadsheet, personal finance. Etsy search algorithm works like Google. Second reality: you need initial reviews to build trust. Your second or third sale might come from a friend or community member. That's fine, use that to get your first review, then momentum builds. Third pitfall: perfectionism. Your first product doesn't need to be perfect. It needs to solve a specific problem. Polish comes later. The people making real money with this approach aren't perfectionists, they're fast, iterative builders. Here's what you actually need to do this week. 1. Go to Claude AI right now, even if you don't have an idea yet. Ask it to build a simple tool. See how fast this actually is. 2. Spend 30 minutes on Etsy finding 3 products people are actively buying. That's your market research. 3. Pick one problem you can solve with Claude and build it by Friday. That's it. You don't need permission, you don't need years of experience. You need one working product and Etsy seller account. Some of you will make your first $200 this month. Some will take 3 months. Both are wins because you're building actual income. Here's my question for you. Which type of software are you going to build first? Budget tracker? Invoice generator? Meal planner? Drop it in the comments, I'm reading every single one. And if you're serious about AI income methods, hit subscribe. I'm dropping a new way to make money with AI every single week. Let's go.